Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the Asian session. Yeah, who's ready to make some money? So I'm planning to look at Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Uh, so we have this zone of consolidation. I would like to have my sales here. I would want to wait for my sales. And let ourselves below here. If this market is to sell, and I'll put my TP. My TP would be around here. This would be my target. That would be my TP. So this would be like a trade. These are 15 pips. Huh? Yeah, 15 pips. Then if it's a buy, let me see. The buys are going to be above here. We shall get a buy above here. Buys above. I hope you're all getting it. Right? Yes, good morning, Sludge. How are you? You want to make some breakfast? So I'll be trading like this live every day. For those that are interested, always be on with the audio. This is only going to happen in the Asian session, but the rest of the lives will be the same as they have been. Asia will always be conducted like this, live, with audio. So don't forget to like the live. You can share with your friends. You can invite them. And tell them that Hash Forex is live for yen session. Normally, the Asian session is somehow slow, just slow movements. So you need to give it some. You have to be somehow patient to get a perfect entry. If the market provides, we shall take the entry. But if it fails, then we have to wait for the market to come our way. When it comes our way, we shall take the entry. I hope my audio is my sound is coming out well, because this is the first time me using the audio. I hope it is loud and clear. So right now we have this consolidation. You're seeing that the market is failing to make some new highs and lows. This one is a no trading zone. When the market is still in that zone, we are not trading. This one is you first wait for the market to break out. When the market breaks out, it tests either. So if it gives us a buy, we shall take the buys. If it gives us a sell, we shall take the sell. So we are not biased. We don't have a buy bias or a sell bias. We go with what the market provides. If it gives us a sell, we go with a sell. If it goes with a buy, we go with a buy. We don't want to be biased. We might say that we want to buy this market, and the market gives us like the confirmations for selling, but because you've tuned your mind that where you want to buy the market will give the confluences for buying, for selling, but because for you tuned your mind to buying, you'll keep on saying, I want the market to buy, I'm buy biased. So the strategies are mainly based on patience. If you're patient, you wait for the market to come your way. Yeah, you don't have to force it to sell if it doesn't want, or when the market to buy if it doesn't want to buy. The market will do whatever it wants. If it wants to buy, it will buy. If it wants to sell, it will sell. So that's why we already have the buys above there and the sells below. Whatever comes and it confirms properly, go with that. That is price action, doing what the market is giving you. So you can share live. Don't forget to like. Yeah, if you're using TradingView, you can send the link to your chat and see your analysis. You can share your idea. Your ideas are welcome. What you can do is go to your TradingView. You copy the link to your chat. You can make your analysis. You can make your analysis on your chat. Then you send it to me. You send it to me here. You can be able to look at it. This is our first Asian live, huh? And I'll try to be on every day at 3 a.m. I'll try to be on, and we make some money. We make some early morning money. Then the London session will start at around 10 a.m. in the morning. That is West African time. For those that still want to be on, you can still be on. And also the New York session, like at around 4:30 in the evening. We normally be on, but for the meantime, we are concentrating on Asian session. It will be audio, like the way it is right now. In London session, it will be like the usual one. Asian session is for the strong, so if you're somehow sleepy, you might end up missing on the good things. So I'm looking at Australian dollar and Japanese yen. That's the chart which is on time frame. Time frame we're on 5 minutes. So can somebody comment about my audio? Is my audio loud and clear, or it is missing out something? If it is fine, then yeah, I'll continue with the setting that I'm having. If there is anything that I need to change, you can. Yeah, okay. That's good, that's good. So it should always be like this. For those that are interested, always stay tuned. I'll always be on like this live with you guys. I'll trade with you live at 3 a.m. I'll normally start at 3. I can move. It can be like some 2 hours or 3 hours. That is 3. We can do like 3 up to 5. Then you can go and prepare for the rest of the day. Some 2 hours on the charts, get something. So those ones who have trading view, you can send your links, you can send the links in the chat and we check them out. You can make your analysis, then you can send the link and we look at the chart. We can discuss it here live. So we trade breakout and retest. So we wait for the market to break out, then it has to come back and retest our point of interest. If it doesn't, then don't provide that entry. I only if I indicate this, that one shows that I've entered the market. But if I don't, if you don't see this thing and you're seeing that the market is shooting up, then I'm not yet in the market. So whenever I say I put this thing here like this, that shows that I've entered. But if it doesn't, if the charts are still like this, then because that I'm still waiting for something, or it's the entry. You know, in most cases, it's not a must that every time we come on the charts we have to trade. So right now I'm seeing the buyers are somehow strong. We're on the 5 minutes chart. If that candle closes above there, the next seconds, I would want that market to break out like that. Then I want the market to come back and retest this point. Some people would take the buys here right now. They would take the buys here. Their stop loss would be below here. But in most cases, you might take this buy, then you get faked out. So we have to first get the retest, observe this point, and the market has observed this point, then we shall take the buy. So most people ask, how can you avoid a fake out? You cannot avoid a fake out before it happens. You find people are taking the buys right now. So how can you know that the market is going to fake me out right now? You cannot know, because right now you see that the market is showing you momentum. It is giving you the very big candles for the buyers. You might say, yeah, it's time for me to enter, but you cannot avoid the fake out before it happens. So the market has to first show you that, you know what, we have failed and we have come back in that zone. Then that's the only time you're going to know that, you know what, I've been faked out. So no one knows, no one can look into the future and say that, hey, this market is going to fake me out, so let me not do what? Let me not trade this thing. That first happen, then you know that, hey man, I've been faked out. If it doesn't, if it continues moving up, then that's not my entry. If you want to be the best in what you do, you should lay out like principles that you're going to be having, the principles that you're going to be following. If you don't have principles that are governing you, then fail. There are specific things that you should be looking at in the market. It'd be like when I don't see this happening, I'm going to trade. Even if this market continues shooting up, the market just continues going up, market continues going up. So some people have like a fear of losing, like fear of missing out, because you're seeing the market is shooting up, it is giving you big candles for buy. Then you'll be like, hey man, the market is going up. Why is in this case providing us with an entry? Maybe he doesn't know what he's doing. Sometimes the market can shoot up, but it is not following my principle that I follow in the market. If I don't see the things that I want from the market, if the market is not giving me the things I want, then I won't enter. I'll leave it. I would rather miss out than losing money. I might lose out on this trade. I might miss out, and the market goes up. It hits all my take profit without me in the market, but my capital would still be on my account. I will not miss out. Rather than me entering the market because I've seen a candle which is tempting, seen a candle which is big, then I'll be like, hey, it is time for buy. Maybe the buyers are in control of this market. Then I enter. But before you enter into this market, you should know, you should have like two options. Be like, you know what, I want to make money. I want to make money from this. I want to make money from this market. You want to make a profit. You're looking like you're looking at some given number. You say I want to make $100, but you want to make the $100. How much money are you willing to? How much money are you willing to lose? How much money are you willing to lose to make the $100? How will you know your risk? You'll get to know your risk when the market has provided with you a stop loss. The market has not given you what you're going to risk. Then why should you risk? So before you enter the market, you should know the exit points and the entry point and points where you're going to take your profits from. Those are all things that are included in, like, if you're having like a trading plan, those are the things that you should be having. You'll be like, I'm going to trade Asian session. Yes. So when you come on Asian session, you've made your setup, you've identified your points, that I'm going to buy above here. So right now I know that I'm going to buy above here. So the market has broken out. So if I'm having my take profit one here, that is 20 pips. So I know that when the market reaches here, I'm going to be taking some profits. Then the next, if the market continues up, where is the next point, I'm going to be taking profits. That is 51 pips. So that is the side of profits. So what else am I going to look at? I'm going to look at the side of negative, in case I'm to lose, in case this market goes south, in case the market doesn't buy. Where am I going to exit from? That is also important. If I enter this market, where am I going to be like closing my entries from? Where is my stop loss going to be? Some people be like me, I trade with a stop loss of 15 pips. I'm trading with a stop loss of 20 pips. That is not right. It's the market which is providing. If the market is to give you a stop loss of 15 pips, then it gives you that stop loss. If it is to give you a stop loss of 30 pips, you get that. Now these guys who have entered on this candle here, on the closure on this candle, their stop loss, I would recommend their stop loss to be around here. So meaning someone in this trade is risking around 23 pips on that trade. That is 23 pips negative. So you calculate, if I'm to enter this trade 23, how much money am I going to be losing? So you calculate pips, 20 in 22 pips, how much money will I be losing? That's how we are planning for our trades. So in 23 pips, you'll find that if you're using a slot size of 0.01, you might be losing like $5. So you know that, okay, this trade is telling me that when I enter there, I'm going to lose $5. So you make peace with that. You know that when I enter this trade, I'm going to lose $5. Then that is the side of losses. For profits, you'll be like, okay, I make 2 entries of 0.01, 2 entries, then my first TP is going to be in 12 pips. So in 12 pips, how much money am I going to be making in those 12 pips? Find that I'm going to be earning like $2. So you know that, okay, when the market hits my take profit one, I'm going to be making that $2. You make peace with that. Then when the market continues in my direction, how much money am I going to be making? I'm going to be having like 43 pips in profits. You might find that trade will be like $10. So you make peace with that. You've made peace with the loss. You've also made peace with the what? With the profit. If you're to lose any outcome that is going to come, you should be ready for it. In Forex, you don't have one-sided outcome. It is two. So you should come on the charts knowing that I've made this entry. It's going to be either a loss or a profit. So those are things that you should be calculating for. If it's a loss, then how much money am I? If it's a loss, how much money am I going to be raising? If it's a profit, how much money am I going to be making? Where am I going to be taking the profits from? When the market is going to buy, but because you don't have a plan, you don't know where you're going to exit from, when the profits are going to just pass through your account. Then you say, hey, how did this market went in my direction? I wish I took those profits. It's because you don't have a plan. Most people talk about, hey, plan, but you don't know. You don't know what is a trading plan made of. You see, I have a plan, but you don't know where you're supposed to exit from. You don't know how to take the profits, where to put the stop loss. You find that someone knows how to analyze the charts properly. They can analyze the chart, but they don't have money. Money just passes through their account because they don't have a system on how to take the profits and on how to take the losses. If you have a plan like this, if you're trading like this, how can you blow your account? If you have a system like this, if you develop a system like this, how can you blow your account? You're following things like this. Why do people blow their accounts? Because come on the charts, they don't know what they want. They don't know what the market is willing to offer at a given time. You think that for you want 100 pips, but the market is not going to give you 100 pips. If the market is to provide do the 100 pips, it will show you. The market will show you. If it's not willing to give you the 100 pips, then why would you force the 100 pips? So for us, our strategy normally gives us what the market is willing to give us. We don't force the market to do things which we want. We go with the market. If it is selling, we sell. If it is buying, buy. That's why you'll never find us in our Telegram group giving us like setups. You'll be like, tomorrow this market is going to buy from here up to there. No. We come on the charts, we analyze, we see what is the market, what the market is going to provide, and that's what we take. If it gives us 30 pips, we go with the 30 pips. If it gives us 2 pips, we go with 2 pips. So it is always all about setting your principles, knowing what you want from the market, determining your loss, determining your profits, then you'll be able to grow. Losses are part of the game. It's not, there is no strategy which is 100%. But for you, the beginning of the month, you're going to just be making profits. I think you all have the trading plan that let me see if I have it here. I also have a journal for this session. For those that have been following, I have a journal for this session, for this YouTube live. Every trade I take, I note it down. Every pips we make together, I note them down. The loss we encounter, we take it together. So let me see if I can have this plan. Yeah, this thing that has popped out. Yeah, that is my trading plan. Let's see if I can see if the figures can see it. So this is the trading plan for YouTube. I'm going to start a new one here for Asian session. So today is have the date there. That is 21st. Which charts am I looking at? I have not been trading this thing, so I just have to add it here. Yeah, so I have added it on my list. So today I'm looking at this one, that date. So I'm waiting for the outcome here. This is in session. Yeah, so I'll be waiting for the outcome. Yeah, if it's a profit, I'll put it. You see that we also make some losses. Some days losses are there. So you shouldn't, if you're trading, shouldn't like base your trades on on only one. If you fail in one, it doesn't mean that you don't know. If you're following something like this, be like, okay, how has this map gone? It is if it is a negative, then you be like, maybe I need to improve on something. That's when you start judging yourself that maybe something is wrong. Yes, yes. So who has seen that fake out coming? Who has seen that fake out coming? Who knew that would be a fake out? Did anyone see that fake out coming? So if we had entered that trade, our stop loss would be taken out. Those guys who trade breakouts, we're in this trade. If you had entered, no. That my stop loss would be around that zone. We are trading Australian dollar, Japanese yen. We are on the 5 minutes chart. We are on the 5 minutes chart. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. We are trading Australian dollar, Japanese yen. That is let me put it out here. That is AUD. Then time frame 5 minutes. I don't have a bias. We are trading it is a breakout and released. If you're enjoying the live, don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe, like, support the live. If I get 100 likes today, I would continue streaming like this. If you give me 100 likes, today, So Joshua, I think you've seen the pair that you're trading. You're looking at the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. That is what we are looking at. Any opinions on the pair? You can bring it out. Those ones who are biased, you can also bring out your point. Those ones who are looking at sales can bring it out. So Asian session is one of the slowest. It requires patience. It has very many false breakouts, so you have to be steady on the charts. So if you give me 100 likes today, I'll continue broadcasting like this. So you share the live, invite your friends. First at me till I get the energy of waking up, and I trade with you guys. So if I'm to sell, I'm selling selling below there. I'll sell below there. My target is in 16 pips. That is my target. That will be my TP1. TP2 will be in 28 pips. But if it sells. For those that are new to the channel, we have a video on how to follow the live. You can it is in now some of the videos that we had made. You can check out our old videos. You will get a video on how to follow the live. So the live will be running from like 3 up to 5, and Tuesdays to Friday. So we still have 1 hour. Still have 1 hour left now to go. Those guys who normally have work during day, you can tune in for that exact session. Make some money at 5, you prepare and go to work. So you guys, you refuse to share some chats, your opinions. For those that use TradingView, for those that are on their PCs, you can copy the link of your chat and paste it here on our YouTube chat. Can be able to look at it and see what's up. Maybe it is it's moving. It's moving the same way. Previous region point. What's up with GBPUSD? So the same setup. I think DJ is also moving the same. DJ is also moving the same. The same thing. Cassels are here. The sellers of this level. That is GP1, GP2. That is for GJ. If it confirms Cassels, that will be GJ. I think we shall look at this in London. For those that will be on, yeah, that will be our setup for London session. We shall continue like that, the London session, with a sell bias. If it confirms the sell, we shall just have to continue it during the London session. But London session will be as usual, like the lives have been. It is only yen that I'll be doing something like this. If you give me the energy, yeah. So I'll be on the mic only for yen session. So why do I trade on lower time frames? I can trade on any time frame that I want. I can even take it to 15 minutes. The higher the time frame, the more time you're going to wait for your confirmations. So we can go on 15, but in case every candle is taking like 15 minutes to open and close. So if you want 15 minutes, you can also bring out a suggestion and be like, you know what, we are patient enough, we can wait for the 15 minutes for every candle. We are not used to lower time frames. I can also trade on the 1 minute, 1 hour. So any time frame, as long as you know what you want from the market, as long as there's no time frame which is bad. If you can make your analysis and then you wait for the market to come your way, you'll be good. If you want to be a swing trader, that one indicates that you're patient enough to wait, because you're seeing these things now, like this what has been happening here. You've seen if they've been on 4 hours, so this fake out would be 4 hours, all that. So what happens on 4 hours? It is the same thing. It will happen on the what? On the 5 minutes. It will happen on 30 minutes. So as long as you can interpret the charts, as long as you can read the candles, as long as you can read the price action, you're good. Even if you want to trade on the weekly chart, it'd be like, you know what, for us we can wait for a week. If you want to trade like GJ, be like GJ, we want a setup which can take us like a week or a month. So you can just come on this higher time frame. Be like me, I want to hold trades for long. So you make your analysis. Be like, okay, this will happen if the market comes here. I'm going to sell it up to here. Be like, how long will it take me for the market to reach here? If it is to sell from here up to here, it is going to take me like that will take you like wow. For the market to move from here up to here, it will take you like 161 days for the market to reach that point. So, are you that kind of person that can wait for that time to happen? Can you hold that trade for 175 days? Now we are trading in session. This market cannot move from here up to here. On the weekly chart, it cannot. So why would you go on the weekly chart? Yet you're trading in session only. You're only trading 2 hours on the charts. Do you expect this market to move from here up to there? No. So choosing your time frame, it goes back to like the time you're having on the charts. If you have all the time on the chart, you can trade the 1 hour. Because if you have to trade like on the 1 hour chart, we're having only like 3 hours in session. Can we get the entry on the 1 hour chart? It confirms properly, and we get our entry on the 1 hour chart? No, it cannot. So meaning I can use 15 minutes. 15 minutes can give me a perfect entry. 30 minutes can give it to me. 5 minutes can give it to me. 1 minute can give it to me. So as long as you know what you're doing, the time frame doesn't matter. So you just have to get a time frame which is fitting in your schedule, which is fitting in your time. You cannot trade the 4 hours, yet you're having only 2 hours on the charts. So when you look at the confirmations, know that this candle is forming every after, no, this is 5 minutes. This being 5 minutes, we have the time here. We are seeing that in the next 2 minutes, you'll have a new candle on the 5 minutes chart. If I'm to go on the 4 hours, if I'm to go on the 1 hour, then I have to wait till 5 for me to get a new candle here. If I go on the 4 hours, this candle has to take like 4 hours. That is, I think it opened at 3. Then the next candle is going to come like at 5. Yeah, at 5. Like this is when we are going to have another candle for 4 hours. So if you're trading on the 4 hours, are you seeing any confirmations on the 4 hours? No. You're trading as a session. You're only 4 hours on the charts. So are you going to be trading only one candle? No. So it is better you go to time frame which is going to fit in your schedule. It's going to fit in your time that you're having on the charts. So for those that have just joined, don't forget to like our stream. This is our first stream of a kind, when we're having somebody on the mic. If you give me 1,000 likes, I'll even put the camera. Yeah. So I think the person who was asking about the time frame, you're good to go. Alright. So for those that are just joining, don't forget to like, share the live. That's where I also receive the energy to wake up and trade with you guys. Share the live, like. Those that haven't subscribed, subscribe. You can spread the love. You can also spread the love by becoming a channel member for the channel. When you become when you become the channel member, you can receive some benefits. When you do some live streams with audio like this, you can make live streams for members only. You can share some videos for members only when it's not for everyone. So those guys that have been asking about the benefits of becoming a channel member. When you become a member, you can get some benefits. When you make some comments, when you look at the comment section, your comments are all turning out the same. But if one of you is like a channel member, then like your comment would stand out. It would be like a different color. It can easily be noticed. This one is a channel member, yeah, and you give extra attention to that because it's supporting the work. He loves what you're doing. So when he has a question, yeah, you take it as a priority because it's a channel member. It supports. He loves what you're doing. But you might have some people here, for them, you find that they just come on the live to see, hey, as Hash Forex, it's topicals today. How is it doing? So I would love to work with people who are on the same page with us, making money, not spreading the hatred. So for those that would want to become channel members, the link, I'll send you the link. Yeah, he supports you support the channel, you support the growth of the channel. Yeah, you also get motivated, make some money together. Some people thought like when you become a channel member, it's not like you paid for signals, something like that. This thing is free of charge. It's not it's for everyone, unless we make like a special live stream for members only. So that is the only time the channel member gets that option. That live will not come to like everyone. It will only be for that channel members only. We can even post like a video for the channel members only, like not for the public. So those are some of the benefits. Those are some of the benefits of being a channel member. It's not like when you pay, you shouldn't be in my inbox. You'd be like, hey, I'm paid for signals on YouTube. No, you're just supporting the what? The stream. You're not paying for the signals. Signals are free for everyone. Yes, so we are having 30 minutes left for this live. If would get get an hour pullback there, if we get the market coming back to this zone here before 5, we can consider taking some sales. If it confirms before 3, before 5, because I'm planning to end the live at 5, huh? So that I could prepare for my day. So London session will start at around 10:30 in the morning. That is UTC +3. That is East African time. In Ugandan time, that is 10 a.m. in the morning. Then yen session, this one will start. It will be on 3 a.m. 3 a.m. That is still Ugandan time. East African time. That is UTC +3. For those guys that are not in our time zone, you can see it here, UTC +3. So you can also check out in your time zone, UTC +3. You might find that you're having a different time. So ours start it will start like at 3. It will run from 3 up to 5. So if you're interested, you can always stay tuned and it'll be on. It's not a must like every time you come on the charts you have to make money. You've seen this movement here, those guys who entered here, they are being stopped out. Those guys who sold here, I don't know what to consider to take their sell. So if the market gives me what I want, I'll buy the diamond. Wait till the market gives us things that I want to see. But I'm saying this one now, not trading zone, so if the market is still in this zone, you're not trading. That's why I'm not providing for you trade. Might be there, you're waiting, you don't know what you're waiting for. Yeah, the strategy that we are using breakout and retest. That is the daily price action. We don't have any indicators on our charts. Our mentorship course is open for those that want to come for lessons. You can have the link there shared for Telegram. You can come and join our community. If you want mentorship is online, one-on-one. Now, if you want to know more about the strategy, how it works, you come for mentorship. The Telegram, I think the Telegram link has been shared. Those are new to the channel. Now we have Telegram group. You can check it out. Join. Join the stream. Join #Forex. You'll get it. Asian session is full of guns. GBPUSD looks nice. Yeah, the sellers are in GBPUSD. GBPUSD is in. Looks good. The sales look good. But I don't plan for that, so don't just jump into it. But very good. Sales look good in USD, then GJ did the same thing. USD, that is the USD. 5 minutes, the sell made with a sell up there. DJ is doing the same things also. So the reason why I'm trading this is because right now we are in the CDM session and the touch-up session, so that's why I've selected these two. I believe the chart would move. We would fit the most profit on this pair. It's 1, 4, You can also look at that one because of that session. Now to look at that, this New Zealand for Sydney session and Japanese yen, that is for the previous session. That's why I'm looking at that. Was the same thing here. Australian dollar, that is for Sydney session, then the Japanese yen, that is for the Tokyo session. So I believe that most problems will be on but yeah, for them right now it is daytime. It's daytime in there. People in Japan, for them they are at work, they are making money. The banks are open, everything is open, their economy is open. So they give us, if you should check on the economic calendar, you find that their news is coming out around this time, because that is the time when their session is active. That is when it is daytime at their place, the economy is active, everything will be good. So that's why that is my pair right now. So you'll ask me why I'm not looking at GJ or GU at this time. Yeah. I didn't see anyone asking me that kind of question. Why are you trading GJ? Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So in case I'm away, in case the live stream has gone off, you can still keep track of the charts. If the market goes below this point here, if the market goes below here, that point, that is 92.611, the charts are most likely to move up to there. At least that net profit those 12 pips would be those 12 pips would be good if the market comes and breaks here. You could get it here. So if time catches me and didn't confirm, yeah, you can still keep track of the charts. I'm requesting you to start trading news too. News. If the high impact news comes out during this time, we shall trade it together. Yeah, if it comes out during this time, we shall trade it together. Or I'll do it with the channel members, so you can also secure your seat with the YouTube channel member. High impact news is complicated. Guys always have like high hopes in trading news, so that's why in most cases we don't commit ourselves with trading high impact. I might give you that the market is going to sell, but you enter and then they take all your money, then you be like, eh, much Forex took my money. So that's why most cases we don't commit ourselves while trading the news. It's risky. Everything will go on well if our community grows well. If it goes on well, then maybe we shall also give back to the community. Try and we trade everything with you guys. So if we grow, you also benefit. If you like the stream, yeah, we shall also be happy and we give back to the community. boom, boom. So I think our yen session is coming to an end. I need to prepare for my day, so for those that have been here for the first time, you're welcome. Shall move on like this for some time. So subscribe and like. Yeah, so my yen session has not provided me what I wanted. I didn't get the entry. So on my journal, alright there, I didn't get the trade. So yeah. For those that are still on and want to continue with the setup, then I would want the market to come back and go through this point here. Then get a closure below there. We could sell and get and set yourself some pips. That would that is TP1, then TP2 is there. Yep. For those who know the breakout and readers, for those who know how to read the price action, yeah, it would be a nice trade for you guys. So I'll be looking at this, my TP1, and my TP2 would be that one. Alright, so this is it for me today. We shall meet again tomorrow, 3 a.m. I'm still going to be live for London, but London session is will not be like this. It will be like the usual streams that we normally had. Okay, so you guys, see you. I'll be off for now. Thanks for watching.